Hey guys, it's Krista. I want to give you an honest, unbiased review of our Moen garbage disposal. This is the 3/4 horsepower disposal, and it has been perfect for our everyday use and needs. The one we had previously, it was super loud and it started to smell really bad and really just didn't work great. So we upgraded to this one and it was been fantastic. It really isn't loud at all. It comes with the pre-installed power cord, so all you have to do is turn the switch on. It has insulation to it, so it's not loud. It doesn't vibrate or anything at all. I'm going to show you here. I've got some potato peels that I'm going to throw down the disposal. So for our everyday use, it really has been great. We've not had any odor accumulate from it. And again, we've had this for several years, so that just goes to show that it really does a great job grinding up and disposing of the food. Most of the things that we put down the drain for the disposal are remnants from like dinner plates, and if I've cut up vegetables or fruits, some small pieces from that. My husband was able to install it without any difficulties. It hangs down about 13 inches under the sink and is about 7 inches wide or so, the canister of it. So I don't think that's excessive personally for a disposal. But y'all, it's been great. We love it. I absolutely recommend this product.